Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Put to Practice Cooking. Today we're going to be making maple cookie sandwiches. I think that's probably the best way to describe them. These are basically some cookies I bought like a while ago when I went to visit my buddy in Canada. I brought some back as a souvenir from my folks, and suddenly had the urge to eat them again, and didn't want to take a whole plane ride to get over there. So we're going to try them out now. They're not too bad from the looks of it, but I will warn you when you're using the maple extract, you got to be careful because got some in my hands, and even after washing my hands, they still kind of reeked of maple. So just be aware of that. So let's go ahead and get going. Hello. So we are back with this. So first off, this is going to be our flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Just mixing them together so that it's all incorporated. Nothing major. Okay, so not much with that. So this has our brown sugar, our regular sugar, and our butter. We're going to be mixing it all together until it's incorporated. Once it's all incorporated properly, we'll be adding in our maple syrup and maple syrup, maple extract, and vanilla extract. So let's get going. There you go. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is add our egg real quick. One singular egg, just right in there. And then we're going to stir that until it's combined. 1 second. We will likely need this for the maple syrup. Alright, so now here is our maple syrup, maple extract, and our vanilla extract. So we're going to pour that all in there. So once again, we will mix that together, then we'll work on that. Now we're going to do this in stages. While we're doing this stage, we're going to have this on a low setting. And once we get on the low setting, we are going to then, once it's all in there, then we'll go up to fast until it's all uniform. So approximately about like 3 minutes. After that, we're also going to verify with the spatula to make sure it's all good, and then we'll go from there. Here is our dough. It's kind of really solid, so very, very nice with all that brown sugar and everything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in a clean wrap and form it into kind of a rectangle kind of shape, and we're going to put it in the fridge. So let's do that real quick. All right, well, I think that's going to be it. I won't say it's like almost like mashed potatoes. So it's kind of interesting how cookies are basically all the same thing, but then some of them turn out like this, and other ones like that. So anyway, so we have this. So it's going to be in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes. I would suggest that while you're waiting on it to get the buttercream already all set up. Just saves you some time for once we get to that point. I'm also not going to be doing that because it is very simple. You just cream the butter, and then once you do, you toss in the remaining of the ingredients, and then put it in a piping bag. So it's not really too crazy complicated. So yeah, so we'll skip that, and I'll get back to you once this is out of here, and we're gonna start cutting out our leaves. So in a bit. All right, so we are back. We have I did mine for about 40 minutes, so I don't think it matters too much as long as it's within the range. All right, so we got our well-floured surface, and also I got the oven going for 350. So now we're going to roll it out to about 1/8 thickness. I got a toothpick. I will show you what I'm going to do that after we get done, but now just Press down. All right, so that took way too long, but yeah. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 sandwiches worth of that. I don't think this is going to be enough. It might be enough for a cookie by itself, so I'll probably just put that in, but not enough for a full sandwich. So I'll probably make that real quick, and then off camera, I'm going to use this to put some lines in there for the leaves. And yeah, so we're going to put this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. We're going to let them cool, and then we're going to put the buttercream on, which, as I said, I made preemptively. So see you at that point. All right, so we are back. Yeah, I definitely make some of these cookies a bit too thick, but oh well. Already baked, so no point in belly aching about it. So we got this whole thing, and counted correctly, so we should get 12 sandwiches out of these. So okay, so we're just going to give it about maybe something like that. Then find a partner and squish it, I guess. And then kind of fix any ones that kind of squish out and rinse and repeat. Good buttercream. But yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, and I didn't do the slices on all of them because it didn't look that good. And actually, turns out that's actually good that I didn't, because it actually split down this part where I went make the lines. So don't put the lines on them. So. All right, so there is our maple cream cookie sandwiches, or whatever they're called. So look pretty good to me. Let me just take a picture for the thumbnail, and we'll get to our taste test. All right, so here is our cookie. Yeah, I definitely made these way too big. I mean, like, look at that one compared to like that, you know. So it's all good. I didn't roll them out enough, but hey, it just means it's probably the one cookie all night kind of thing. So let's go ahead and try it. It's a lot of cookies. There was a lot of chewing, but yeah, very good. The only thing was that should have put more cream in this one, because I think that one I got didn't get much of it, but other than that, is really good, really nice. You get the nice brown sugar with that, and then the maple just adds on to it, and then obviously you get the creaminess of the buttercream. So very, very good. I call this a definite win. So hope you have a good rest of your day, and hope your maple cookie sandwiches turn out as good as mine. Thank you.